Alright guys, welcome back to Grim Reaper RC. Today we're at the job site and we have the Traxxas. This is the Rustler 4x4 VXL. I do have the Proline Badland tires on it. It's nice and wet, it's snowy, it's about 14 degrees. So let's get into this video today. It's going to be a good one, you won't want to miss it. Finishing up the workday, there is no better way to get out and have some fun than bringing the Traxxas e-Revo 2.0 over here. Whoa, did I say e-Revo? I meant the Rustler 4x4. I did just pick up another e-Revo. Ooh, I think we can hit a backflip off of that. So let's get this thing going. So this is a mess over here. We have the job site. I do plumbing. I'm actually a plumber. So we do have a few undergrounds going on over here. We have a rough, but I thought it would be fun, you know, bring out the Rustler and see what this thing can do over here. It is extremely rocky over here. We are near a actually ski resort too, so it's very cold out right now. We do have snow on the ground. There's ice everywhere. But I'm going to stop talking and let's just enjoy this RC here. Some nice mud puddles. So I am running this on my Spectrum remote and receiver. This thing is actually pretty quick. I do have a brand new 3S LiPo battery in here. Oh, and we are upside down. Oh, walk of shame going over here, huh? Jeez. All right, but I think we're actually gonna send it up this hill. So make sure you guys stay tuned. We're gonna get crazy in this video. We're gonna do some ripping. We're gonna hit over there on the jump. I might even send it up this rail right here and go off of that. Who knows? Let's see what we can do up this hill first, though, huh? See how far up we can make it. Hey, that's actually pretty far. That's not bad. Let's see if we can get up a little bit further without wiping out. Oh, hit a rock. Geez, we do have some big rocks over here, and we're doing a bunch of different stuff over on the underground. But, you know, it's a job site. What can you do? Oh, upside down on the lid. All right, guys, so let's get over and get to a nice jump. Let's do some nice jumps over here. We have some rocks over here, which is going to be kind of a harsh landing. The ground is super hard right now. Everything's frozen, like I was saying. But, ooh, geez, this thing does go upside down pretty easily. I've been on my roof 99% of this video. But this thing does actually rip. Super fun. It's easy to drive. And the parts are cheap enough where you don't have to worry about breaking it if you do go crazy like I am right now. Oh yeah. Let's see, if we crack this up, oh, we might be able to get across the top of this without falling in. Could we do some donuts on there too? Oh, good. Jeez, upside down on the lid again. Kick her over. This is a basher. It's what it's for, though. I'm gonna have to bring the crawler out here sometime soon, too. I just think these Proline Badland tires are gripping so much. We haven't been able to stay steady this whole entire video. This thing is a blast to drive, though, for sure. You guys are probably waiting for me to hit one of these orange sticks sticking up in the middle of the ground here. Quick little speed run going through. Oh yeah. Oh, nice little tumble. And we landed on the wheels. Look at that. Perfect. quick little update. I was like, why is this thing driving so weird? I got a wonky tire back here. Got to go fix the little hex nut. It is extremely loose. This tire is about to fall off. So I will get back with you guys in a second. I'm going to go over to the car. We're going to tighten up these hexes, and we might even hit a different spot and see what's going on over here. So make sure you guys stay tuned. This video is going to get a little bit crazier. On the way to fix the wonky tire, so this Traxxas Rustler 4x4 does have the same HD drive shafts that the brand new /4x4 VXL model does as well, which I do have those on my /4x4, which I will be leaving a video to that in the description box down below as well. This is a job site we're working on right now. We got an excavator over there. Got a bunch of ice. We got a lull right here as well. Another unit going up here. All right, we're all fixed up with the tire, and it seems to be working good now. All right, so I think we were able to get some air on this right here. Oh, we did a nice little wheelie. Try it again. All right, so we got a nice little area right here. It's all open up. We don't have any major large rocks, and we have a good little drag strip going over to the side here. So we can do some nice little speed passes, maybe even get her a little bit sideways. This thing is super quick, especially on 3S. Nice little concrete slab that's wet. Can get some drifting on it. Ooh, tumble right there. Let's get some good speed going up this. Oh, crash right into the front bumper. This thing is taking a beating and it loves it. Oh, we almost hit the pole there. You guys would have loved that one. Surprised we haven't got kicked out of the job site from the foreman from this. Not the foreman, but the GC. GC here does not like anything fun. That's for sure. See if we could do a backflip on this dozer bucket right here. What do you guys think? I don't know if the angle is good enough, but it may be possible. Nope, I don't know if that's possible. We got some caked on dirt on there. Got to bring the rock crawler over these rocks here. I mean, look at how big this rock face is here. You guys probably can't tell on camera, but that's over 10 feet tall, easy. I mean, that is up there. That's crazy. Quick little adventure over the frozen puddle right here. See if we can stomp on it. Hopefully we don't break through here. Nice, we did not break through. I don't know if we're gonna be as lucky on this side over here. I'm surprised we didn't break through, but we did lose a wheel. Nice. Got a drone up in the sky over here too. All right, and that's basically it. We've got a dead battery here. And I think we're gonna have another tire fall off soon. So I'm gonna go and grab some Loctite. And that's basically it for this video. Alright guys, that's basically it for Grim Reaper RC today. If you liked the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. So that way you guys get notified whenever I upload a video just like this one. Alright guys, that's it for Grim Reaper RC today. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video today of me ripping the Traxxas Rustler 4x4 VXL. This is the 3S version. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of me ripping it over at the job site today. That was a actually fairly big job site. We do have a few of them going on, so you guys will be seeing me ripping a bunch of different RCs over at different job sites, having some fun, just ripping around. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video today. We have been putting a new style onto the Grim Reaper RC videos, so make sure you share them with a bunch of different people who you think would enjoy them. So basically, we're just gonna do an overview and see how the truck handled like all of the ripping today. Basically, you can see that it is extremely dirty. I'm gonna have my work cut out for me cleaning this beast. We do have the Savox servo in here, and it did absolutely amazing. The Proline Badland tires did absolutely great. They don't have any water of them. You guys could hear the squeaky noise inside of them. We do have some rust on some of the screws, so I might hit this with some WD-40 in a little bit. If you guys haven't seen seen my how to clean RC videos, I will be leaving that in the description box down below as well as other product links for all of the stuff that you see in the videos today and some of my other cool RC videos. You guys can also see that we did do a few tumbles upside down with the body, and the body actually handled it very well. The top scratch guard on the top of these bodies, the same thing as the E-Revo, and they actually do have them available for the X-Max at certain times. If you guys do like this style setup, it does save your body from getting absolutely destroyed. I think I'm actually going to add the body savers as well. Proline does sell them. I know they have them for their E-Revo, so hopefully they have them for the Traxxas Rustler. They go where the screw holes go, and then you just put them over in their quick body saver, just because of how thin this Lexan is. You guys can see that we do have some scratching and a little bit of what looks like rust, but it's probably not. It's probably just some speckles of whatever was on the job site. We do have some body scraping going on here. You can see the clear through it, but that's no big deal. We're probably going to be putting a custom body on this thing. I don't think we're going to be changing up any of the electronics or any of the parts on here until anything breaks. Like I said, this does have the HD drive shafts on here, which are the same ones that I am running on my Slash. Sorry if I'm shaking, it's absolutely freezing out and this thing is dirty, so it is definitely not coming inside. So I do have my work cut out cleaning this thing. I'm not too sure if I'm a big fan of the pin style on the shocks. I think I might switch them over to the big bore shocks. Let me know in the description box down below what you guys think of that. And also, the gears sound good. Nothing is inside of the gearbox. This thing did handle it very well. Also, with the wheelie bar, it did help off-road. It is a really nice wheelie bar that they do have available. You guys can see all of the caked on dirt in there. I'm probably going to have to go through and put oil on all of these bearings as well. You can see that there's a bunch of dirt in there. I'm probably going to hit this with the compressor once we're done filming this video. Also, you can see that this does have holes up here. Hopefully, this will be able to mount the Traxxas Slash sound kit, because it would be pretty cool to be have a body on here with the sound kit. You guys will see the style if that does work out. You guys will see that in a future video. We also have another video coming out very shortly of the Traxxas 8S X-Max build series. We're doing the Project Red Bull Racing 8S X-Max with the wide max kit. If you guys haven't seen that video, that will also be linked down below. I was talking about it earlier, but you definitely will not want to miss it. It's absolutely insane. I have a bunch of different parts for it. I know you guys are gonna enjoy it a lot. So that's basically it for this thing. And this is the VXL 3S, like I was telling you guys. Here's just a close-up on it. This is the same ESC that was inside of my Slash, and when I switched it over from the Hobbywing system, I am running the 3652 on the Hobbywing SCT ESC. I switched over all of the electronics and threw them inside of this. I got this from eBay. This is a roller, so it didn't cost too much. If you guys have any spare electronics hanging around, make sure you guys pick up some rollers. You can have some fun, even if it's just a quick basher for you to throw in your car and have a blast with. That's what the hobby is all about. That's basically everything you guys need to know on the Traxxas Rustler 4x4. I'm probably going to do a video of me cleaning this thing up, or I might just leave it super dirty and film another video tomorrow. So you guys are going to have to stay tuned for that one. So that's it.